Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday, Mother's Day, and I've had this for a few days now, so I'm going to show you. This is the first day I've been able to get my camera up and actually record because school has been crazy going back this week. So I have my next Crochet Society box. This is box 21. Everyone's been sharing their boxes arriving over on Facebook, so I figured it's best that I actually open it now. So cue lots of rustling. So I don't know what's going on in the postal service, but they're all getting marks. Oh well. Anyway, this is this month's box. So we've got no rose gold decoration on this one at the moment. This time it's similar to the Stay Home Stay Crafty box, so it's just a craft card box, but it still has the Velcro. Oh, that's really tough. Ooh. Right, so what have we got? Bloom where you are planted. So let's have a look. Oh, that's lovely. So we have, I'm going to take this out first actually. Oh, it's like a little pen pot, and it has the same design but engraved. So it says bloom where you are planted. That's really pretty. It's made of wood. That's really nice. That's going straight into immediate use. Pop that in front of me. So we have Bergere de France yarn. I've not used this before. Oh, it's 100% recycled. So this is called Zinc. It is Aran yarn and uses 4.5 needles. I'm assuming it's a 4.5 hook as well then. Yeah. Yeah. So there's one in the grey. It's got like it looks almost sparkly, but I think it's the content. So what's the content? It just says recycled fibres. Oh, so acrylic, what? 51% acrylic, 38% wool, 3% mix of fibres, and 8% polyamide. But it's kind of shiny, and I'm assuming that's the nylon in it. So we have Zinc. We have Ecru, lovely cream colour, and we have Nuit, which is black. I did do a little bit of French, don't remember much of it. So yes, we have the black. It's kind of like, it's not black though, it's like a really dark navy with some hints of purple in there as well. It's really lovely tones in there. So we have those three. Oh, everything is in the same craft card, which is lovely. So our hook this time is a bamboo hook. So I think that's a 5mm. Can't really see. It does have it engraved on it. It's a nice little wooden hook. So it's bamboo. A row counter bracelet. So I'll open up that up in a second. And we've got a little cactus. He's really sweet. I like him. He's a little happy cactus. It's like an aloe vera plant. So I'm assuming the thing for this is kind of like natural. So let's find the book. So let's have a look at this bracelet quickly. Oh, it's Diddy. Oh, okay. So it's got 10 links. Each one is this little wooden diamond. Can we see the numbers? So 1 to 10. And then there is a little leaf stitch marker, and I think the idea is that you clip this to whichever number row you are on. It's got a little lobster clasp on it, and it says Crochet Society on the back as well. Not doing a very good job of showing this off, am I? That's really sweet. Oh. Put that back in there for safekeeping. Now let's have a look at the book for this month, shall we? So on the front, there's no spoilers on the front. It's just a picture of everything from the box, which is really lovely. So let's have a look. So this month's box is a little special. We've designed it with eco-conscious crafters in mind. As with every box, the starting point is the yarn. We chose Recycle 4 from Bergere de France. And oh, it's got a little bit of information here as well about the yarn, which is great. It says, once we had the yarn in place, all the little extras were inspired by it, and you can read about them on page 12. So, let's have a look, shall we? Ooh, so we've got some more mittens. We've got a cup cozy, and we've got some slippers. Just checking there's nothing on there that I need to hide. There we go. So that's this month's box. So we've got our 3 projects on this side, and then information about the other pages. This is quite a thick book this month. So we have Tea and Chat with Elizabeth Desamore. Oh, I've seen you on Instagram. What is your Instagram tag though? I can't remember. Radical Threads. That's it. Oh, I'm going to enjoy reading that. I love seeing your Instagram page. It is awesome. So we have the mittens are by Elizabeth then, using all 3 colours. And I like the fact that they're odd. That's quite nice. Then we've got a little bit more in detail about the items that are in the box. Oh, I've just noticed that the conversion chart's now on the back of the book. A great place to put it so you don't lose it. Yeah, so for this, the bracelet, it says keep track of your work with this handy bracelet. Simply move the marker to the next ring when you finish a row. Want to keep track of more than 10 rows, the bracelet is designed to work with all of your Crochet Society stitch markers, so just add more markers. That's brilliant. So we've then got information on the yarn. So this month's yarn is truly unique and it unveils an incredible story of eco-friendly yarn production. So there's a little story there on recycling yarn. Now I actually find videos for my students to watch when we do our recycling and plastics projects, so it'd be really interesting to have a read of that as well. We've then, oh, there's sheepies. Hannah Bishop from Stitched Up by Hannah. Hang on, let me go back and see if I can find. Oh no, Elizabeth's Instagram is Desamore Designs. Oh. So anyway, Hannah Bishop from Stitched Up by Hannah has made these cute little sheepy slipper socks things. Are they slipper socks? Slippers. So we've got these little bubbles in the ecru to make the little sheepy. We've then got our exclusive page, so especially for you, there's a little discount codes and things like that. Ooh, there's a pusheen. If you've seen my February roundup, you'll know that I made a pusheen. There's a kit in here for another pusheen, which I might have to get now. There's my pusheen. Going green. So I think this is like tips and tricks, or just information in general on going green and what want to be ready to bring out your inner eco warrior and take a look at our 8 steps to become a more sustainable crafter. So different ways of reducing your impact, I guess. There's some more there as well. So there's 8. And the last one, Bear Hug. So this is by Jane Howarth. Jane Tara Howarth on Instagram. There's a little bear. It's a bear cozy for your hot tea. He's really sweet. He's similar to he's like the bear that we had last month. I still need to make that bear. I think I'm going to have to make bears this month. Oh, there's a cute little foxy. I might have to flip the book around though. There's a little foxy here. It says if you head over to the website and you'll find the pattern for this adorable pup, which is designed by Julian Winter. He's really sweet. I like him. So as always, we have a page on people's makes. So what other people have made from the boxes, whether they've changed colours. So look at Buffy in the purple. He's nice in the purple. So yeah, it's just a nice way. I like this one as well. This one, the pattern I think only has the cloud, but she's added a little sun to it as well, which is really sweet. One day I'll get mine in there. Fingers crossed. And then we have our page, which is like our first glimpse of the next box. I've already seen this over on Instagram in the stories, and I was like, oh my god, I want it now. It's like constellations. It's like space themed. I love it. I want it. But I have to wait till next month. So yes, we have the guide on the back. So that is box 21. I've not used recycled yarn before, so this will be interesting. So I'm going to pop it all back in. There we go. So it doesn't feel like there's a lot in this box for this month, but I mean, that is beautiful. So that is definitely going to be used. And I mean, look at the stitch marker. He's just so cute. I'm pretty sure, I think there was a cactus in one of the previous boxes. I'm going to have to find out now. I'm going to have to make a cactus just so I can use that stitch marker. So yeah, this is a subscription box. As always, I put all the details down below for you. So that is Crochet Society box 21. And I'll see you all again next month for box 22. Take care. Bye.